I will go to Timothy Ghilain, which is the representative of EASPD, and I would ask him how can networks like the one that you represent can improve the implementation of the social economy action plan, which is such important for the social economy, for the European social economy.
Thank you. A little story maybe first. Back in '86, long time ago, when some service providers went to the Commission with some important messages, Commission said, get organized. When you have many different voices, everyone has different opinions, maybe they have the same goal, but they all look at it from a different angle, it's very easy to be drowned or to just ignore the whole of it. So organizations like EASPD, NC, DSS, what we try to do is get organized. So EASPD, we represent service providers for persons with disabilities. So in that regard, all of our members are part of the social economy, even if they don't know it or if they don't agree with it, because they are not like some other social economy enterprise necessarily bringing a lot of profit or having high tech, or there was mentioned from Mr. Messenger, of very advanced social economy in Spain. Here we're talking about, similar to also NC, work integration, social enterprise, sheltered workshops, organizations that try to support persons with disabilities in their education, employment, everyday living. But all these organizations, we represent 20,000 service providers across Europe. They don't have the capacity, the strength, the voice to bring a message. So that's part of what we do. We, for example, were at the social summit of San Sebastian that was referenced earlier together with Social Services Europe. We were with the Minister and Social Platform at La Hulpe together with NC. We try to represent these messages from you to the European Union. We try to be a bridge. And we also are a bridge between all of you. And so sometimes between you, depending on country, sometimes here you are very well organized, and with RISE you have the Work Integration Social Enterprise. ADV is a great partner that bridges the messages. And with the rest of Europe, with countries in Malta, in Germany, in Belgium, in Ireland, we try to bring these experiences. For example, in a project we have in BY that I will be talking about later on, when we're talking about social economy in Malta, they said we don't have it because they had a different understanding, but they didn't have social economy. And so they're bringing these experiences. How do you do social economy for persons with disabilities in different countries? How do you access funding? We have a project that was having a conference yesterday on help desk, how to access funding for services. Because we share the same challenges, be it Romania, Bulgaria, Macedonia, it's the same challenges. And with innovative solutions throughout Europe, we can learn from each other. That's what we try to do, have an impact at the European level, share innovative approaches through projects or awards like it is done later today, or through just sharing of information, peer learning. Because there's so much information at national level through all the organizations that is very hard to promote, to share, to highlight. That's what we try to do. And in particular with the European Economy Action Plan, we are very happy with the European Economy Action Plan. So congratulations to the European institution that could develop it, but as was mentioned, now is the implementation at national level, how to do it. So it's very good to see Romania has already legislation on social economy, but how to go further, how to implement properly. The recommendation of the Council is very ambitious, and if it's fully implemented in Romania, I think it would be a huge benefit for all of you. But now it's how can we work together to make that happen? Because if any one organization tries to push for such a reform, it's extremely hard to achieve. In the field of social work, we need to work together You push at national level, at regional, national level. We push at European level together with our partners at European level on the Council, the Commission, the Parliament, through the intergroup that was mentioned with Social Economy Europe, so that we reach together the same goal, pushing from different angles. And so here we're really looking at cooperation, working with you. And so thank you very much to ADV Romania and to Angela to invite us here and to allow us to have this cooperation and this communication. Thank you.
Thank you so much. I liked so much what you said about we are all facing the same challenges. It's about adapting the solution to each country, and with your support and the support of these European networks, I think this can be done including in Romania, as this conference is happening in Romania.